Hi guys, my name is Jesslyn, and this video is just going to be kind of like fraction basics. So just a little bit of fractions. I already have videos for adding and subtracting and fractions and mixed fractions, so go and watch those if you need help with those. But this is just going to kind of be a little bit of basics, like what is a fraction, what is a reciprocal, what is improper fraction, what's a mixed fraction, how do I convert back and forth, things like that, okay? So first of all, a fraction is, it represents part to whole. So part to whole. So the fraction 3/4 means I have 3 parts and the whole is 4 parts. So I have 3 out of the 4 parts. So that's what it means. So 3/4. If the pizza, if I ate 3/4 of the pizza, that means I split it into 4 parts and I ate 3 of those pieces. So let's talk about reciprocal now. Reciprocal of a fraction means the flipped fraction. So the reciprocal of 3/4 is 4/3. So this is the reciprocal. Let me write that word for you. Reciprocal. So there you go, reciprocal. 3/4 and 4/3, you just simply flip the fraction. So now I cut my pizza into thirds, but I ate 4 of them. So I must have had 2 of those pizzas because if I eat 4 slices, it means I've eaten more than a whole. So I must have had 2 pizzas that were split up into 3. But remember that a reciprocal is just the flip fraction. So the reciprocal of 4/9 is 9/4. So the reciprocal of 4/9 is 9/4. So simple as that. That is a reciprocal. Now let's talk about improper fraction. An improper fraction means that the numerator is greater than the denominator. So like 10/3. So this is improper. Improper. I-M-P-R-O-P-E-R. Improper means the numerator is greater than the denominator. So it means that it's more than 1, okay? It could be more than 2, more than 3, but we definitely know it's more than 1 because there's 10 parts and the whole is only 3 parts, okay? So improper. So how do we change this to a mixed fraction? How do we change it to a mixed fraction? Well, tell you the truth, fractions are just division problems. So 10/3 means 10 divided by 3. So we'd say to ourselves, how many times does 3 go into 10 without going over? Well, knowing your multiplication, 3 times 3 is 9, so it goes in 3 times because 3 times 3 is 9. And then we have 1 left over because we're trying to get to 10 and we just went 3 times 3, 9. So we have 1 left over, so that's our new numerator. And then our denominator stays the same. So it'd be 3 1/3 to change to a mixed fraction. Let's do another one. Let's do another improper to a mix. So let's do 15/4. 15/4. So we say 15 divided by 4. How many times does 4 go into 15? Well, 4 goes into 15. Well, 4 times 4 is 16. That's too much. 4 times 3 is 12. There we go. We could do that. So it goes in 3 times, but 4 times 3 is only 12. We're trying to get to 15. So we need 3 more. So that would be our numerator, is what we have left. And then our denominator stays the same. So 3 3/4. So that's improper to mixed. Okay? Now let's do mixed to improper. Mixed to improper. Let's say we have 2 1/6 as our mixed number and we want to change it to an improper. So 2 1/6, what means is we ate 2 wholes that were split into 2 parts. So you would do, split into 6 parts. 2 times 6 is 12, and then we ate that 1 extra part. So we ate 2 wholes that were split into 6, so 2 times 6 is 12, so we ate 12 parts, and then we ate that 1 extra part is 13, and then we keep the denominator, okay? So 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13, and that's how you get your numerator. Let's do another one. 5 5/8. This means that we ate 5 whole pizzas and then ate 5 pieces out of 8. But all the pizzas were split into 8 pizzas. We were hungry that day. So if all of them were split into 8 pieces and we ate 5 of them, we ate 5 times 8, we ate 40 pieces when we ate those 5 whole pizzas. So 5 times 8 is 40, and then we ate just 5 out of 8 of one of the pizzas. So 40 plus 5 is 45. So we ate 45 pizzas, and they were all split into 8. Okay, so we ate 45 pieces when all the wholes were split into 8. So that's how you do mixed and to improper. If you have any questions, let me know.